Are you looking for the best frameless shower doors? In this video, we will break down the top 5 frameless shower doors on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
This is a high-quality and elegant shower door designed using 0.25 inches clear tempered glass. With this, you will be guaranteed of the privacy needed as you shower. The quality glass door is also ideal for both left and right door opening. This is due to the reversible feature that allows it to open from both sides. The frameless glass design makes it an elegant door that will perfectly suit your shower and offer the attractive look you need. In addition to this, it also offers a standard fit of 60 inches base and provides an adjustable fit from about 56 inches to 60 inches. The installation is relatively faster and easy. If you have a large bathroom and an ample-sized opening to the shower area, this door will be a perfect fit thanks to its adjustable width of 68 to 72 inches and a 74-inch height. So when the door is open, you get 27.5 to 31.6 inches of room to enter. Moreover, the door is reversible. It can be installed on either the left or right side, per your preference. The door handle of the Elon is made of brass and has a silver finish, and you can easily mount it onto the pre-drilled glass. Its fashionably good looks and durable design can be attributed to the 304 stainless steel, which also makes the door resistant to corrosion. It has a 10mm tempered glass and smooth rollers underneath to ensure that you'll never hear a squeak out of it. Furthermore, clear door strips ensure that the door won't ever leak. Featuring quality construction with elegant craftsmanship, the WOODBRIDGE Sliding Frameless Shower Door Deluxe offers the best in contemporary styling and functionality. It is made up of a 10mm thick tempered glass for safety and to prevent spills. This glass door comes with large solid stainless steel rollers to help create smooth, quiet, and effortless sliding. It has a reversible design to ensure you can slide it either to the left or right depending on your needs. This door has top rail support to provide wall anchoring and reinforce wall stability. It comes with a professional installation instruction manual to allow for a simple and quick setup. This door is designed to remain plump and level during installation as well as any later modifications. What's more, it comes in sturdy packaging to prevent damages during transit. Aston comes with a 3/8 inch thickness. It measures 76 inches in height and has width measurements that could be adjusted to between 56 inches and 60 inches. For sliding action, the top unit features a high-quality bearing system and a support bar on top to keep the heavy door stable. This frameless door measures 76 inches in height and has a width that could be adjusted between 56 and 60 inches. This gives 4 inches of adjustment and provides a walk-through shower opening between 22 to 26 inches, depending on how much you trim the width of the two doors. However, if you'll be considering buying this sliding shower door, keep in mind that it has no adjustment for uneven walls. The Enigma Air is a top-end unit. With a glass, which is tempered and that is 3/8 inches thick, the unit stands as one of the strongest sliding shower doors on the market. On top of that, it has ClearMax coating, so you'll have less hassle cleaning up stains and watermarks. All of the hardware in this sliding shower door system is made of stainless steel. It makes the construction stable and durable. And you can choose if you want the stainless to be polished or brushed, so you can pick the doors that would better suit the interior design of your bathroom. The doors use a wheeled roller system to drive the doors smoothly. The bearings are made from quality stainless steel, which makes them more durable than other materials. The sliding door can be installed on either the left or right side. You can choose which side would be better for your shower's configuration. Its reversible design will suit everyone's preference when it comes to door opening space. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's both sturdy and aesthetically pleasing. The glass panel also has a coat of ANZZI's Tsunami Guard shielding, which is quite good when it comes to repelling water and preventing fogging and moisture buildup. And with a walk-in opening of 16 to 20 inches, it will accommodate most if not all body frames. T-Rhino alloy approved hardware finish in beautiful polished chrome made our bathroom pop out and made our small space look bigger than it is.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.